Hello, welcome guys to my new YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel, we will discuss about the how to write the clean code, how to create the complex applications. We will review some of the complex application, how their system design, and also in some videos, upcoming videos, we will develop the some complex applications. In this video, we will discuss the how the your directory structure for the React.js application. When I started the coding that time I found some difficulties while creating the applications because I dumped everything in the same folders. But later on, when I developed more and more project, then I come to realize that the directory structure is the necessary to manage the all the code and reuse the code. So in this video we will discuss about how to create clean and reusable directory structure for the React.js application. So it will be helpful for uh, any other developer to understand your code. So as you can see that this is the basic directory structure that comes when you run the npx create react app. Then after that you have to write all the code inside the src folder, that is source folder. So first of all we will create the a new folder called the api. This folder contains all the apis that we call from our front end to the back end. Inside that you also create the separate folders, like if you are creating the applications for the hotel management or anything else, then you can create like for the online orders you can create the folder like online orders, and inside that you will dump all the apis that used for the online orders, uh, like that. After that we will create the new folder called components. Inside that we will add all the components that used for our application, like the navigation bar or the footer or the sidebar that we are using again and again in the other pages, that will also go in the components. All the like the cards that we are using for the in general for the application that design, the like same things are going to into the components. After that as you know that in the react app there is the reducer and the states actions. So we will create one folder called states. Inside that we will create a three different folder like action. Inside that action folder we will write all the actions that used for the redux and saga. After that we will create another folder called reducer. Inside that reducer all the reducers are kept, and after that if you are using the sagas, then also create one folder called a saga. Inside that we will uh, dump all the saga files. Okay. After that the next folder is pages. Inside those pages we will create all the pages, like for example login page. Inside this folder we will create all the files that are re- related to the login file, like index.js, which contain the main code of the login, along with that style.css, which contain the style and other all the components that is requiring for the login, that will be write down in this folder. Okay. After these pages we will create the new folder called the utils, which contain all the utility functions or constants that used overall in the whole applications, that we can use the reuse that code or the functions in the other files. Okay. After that we will create the new folder called hooks. Inside this hooks folder we will create or write down the files that for the custom hooks that we are going to use into these applications. After that we you can create the some folder like layouts. Inside this folder we will create the layout structure, the code for the layout structure. As you can see in this application I used it from the internet. We can see that the this header and this sidebar is used. We can create an whenever we go into the another section it shows the same, so we can use it as a layout, and we can write down the code in the layout structure, and we can simply use in different components for the basic template, like that for the header means navigation bar and sidebar. Okay, after that we create the new folder called routes. Inside that route you can write the different route, like for the dashboard route or the for the login, and whatever the your private route that should be visible only after the your login, that everything goes inside the routes. So that's all. You can create the many folder as you like to customize and manage application efficiently. It's depend upon you how you feel better, but I think it is the good idea to separate the each and every component or the code of the component in the separate, so that when you change the code of the each component, it does not affect the another component. So try to implement an uh, different directory structures, so it will be helpful as your project to grow. It will be easy to the scale. So that's it for the today's video. We will meet into the next videos where we write, where we talk about the various topics, new topics, that usually anyone talks. So see you in the next video. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.